Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to explore some powerful prompt ideas and prompt enhancement techniques that can completely change the way you learn new skills and topics using AI. Traditionally, we want to learn something new, we spend hours searching the internet, reading articles, watching multiple videos and going through documentation. But with well-crafted prompts, you can get structure, personalized and easy to understand explanation from AI chatbots like GPT, Claude and Gemini. In this video, I will show you how to write effective learning prompt that help you master any topic from beginner to advanced level in a clear and organized way. This prompt will save your time, improve your learning experience and help you to get the best possible output or responses from AI. So let's get started. So guys, I have opened this document and in this document I have written 8 to 9 prompts with the basic to advanced level. Like this is a full structure course prompt and this is the prompt like I have no idea about something. So I am a complete beginner. So this is a complete beginner level prompt and this is a 80 by 20 prompt, fast learning prompt. If you want to learn something fast, then you can use this prompt. And this is the mind map and knowledge connections. So before using this prompt, we have to understand the meaning of each and every prompt because every prompt has a different meaning. Like we want to learn something from the beginning or we have some idea, so we can use different prompt. So these are 8 prompts we can use this, and we will use these prompts and we will understand how this prompt will work on different chatbots. Like, so let's explore one by one. So now let's use this first prompt, which is a full structure course prompt. This is a starting fresh any topic we want from zero to advanced. So let's copy this prompt and I will paste this prompt on GPT. So let's clear and let's go to the new chat. And suppose I want to learn about machine learning. So in this topic here, and in the topic section, I will add machine learning. So just I have added machine learning and let's click on. So this is the response, like machine learning from beginner to advanced. So this is the response of our prompt from ChatGPT. Like we have asked something related to core concept, intermediate topics, real world use cases, advanced concept. So this is the response. We can check response and we can add something related to the topic, a specific topic. So this is the response like basic mathematics, statistics, probability and linear algebra. So these are the topics which comes under machine learning. So as we can see all the topics mentioned, and there is a brief idea about all the topics. And if you want to go in deep dive, so we can ask something related to that topic. And there is a supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So these all the topics comes in machine learning. Now suppose if you want to learn something related to this topic, if you want to learn something more about this topic, then just copy this topic and add this prompt like understand me this topic in more details with example. So let's so in this way we can go in depth about the specific topic, and we will also get some examples to get a better idea about this topic. So now I will use this same prompt with Gemini. So I will just copy this prompt and add this prompt here. So this is the Gemini and I have pasted the same prompt here. So the Gemini answer is in more detail and categorized way. It has categorized the sections and it has also added the quizzes and core concepts, and this is a more detailed and a structure answer of Gemini. So it has also added the coding part and these topics, and it has also added some graph and charts to understand in a better way. It is about underfitting, optimal and overfitting. So this is about neural networks, advanced and common pitfalls, and also given the formulas and quizzes. So Gemini has given the better answer as compared to ChatGPT with the same prompt. I have added the same prompt here. So we can use different chatbots, like we can also use Claude for the same prompt. If you want this complete chat in a PDF or document, then you can use this prompt. Give me the complete documentation of the above explanation in PDF format. So Gemini will give you the PDF. So this is the PDF Gemini provided, and let's open this. So this is the complete documentation about the topic we have learned and we have asked from Gemini. So this is how we can read or learn any topics from Gemini. This is the one prompt, and now let's explore some more prompts. Let's use this another prompt, interview and exam preparation prompt. So this prompt is basically for job interviews or exam preparation, when you are preparing for interview and you are preparing for exams. So this prompt will provide 15 questions based on the topic from beginning to hard level, and the ideal answer for each question, and the common mistakes can make with question and answer, and the key terms and definition we must know, and the paragraph summary for the answer. So I will try this prompt on Claude AI because we have tried Gemini and GPT. So we will try this with Claude. So let's paste this, and now I will select JavaScript. I will select JavaScript as a topic, and let's click on this. So here are our responses. There are 15 questions. These are the questions, and here are the answers. There is a very structured and proper way Claude provided the response of that prompt. It's very proper and very interesting response. Like we can see the responses in drop down menu, and we can also select the categories like 15 questions, common mistakes, key terms. So I would say this is the proper response, or this is a very structured and detailed response. Like this mention every details in a specific category, 15 questions, common mistakes, and this is the sections for common mistakes and key terms. So it's very structured and very describe manner. So we can use this prompt from Claude, and till now the Claude responses most effectively on the prompt. So this is how we can use that. So this is how we can use these prompts, and we can understand any topic with the help of this prompt on basic to advanced or any type. So this is the video guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.